Here student, we are going to see variables and assignments in Python. Because why this topic is important to us? Now variables are treated in Python differently, totally differently than other programming languages like C, C++, Java, how they are uh, like taking care of variables. So the definition, let's see. A variable in Python represents named location that refers to value, and those values can be used and processed during program run. Here the variable is not a container, students. In Python, variables are not container. When means the values are stored in memory locations, and when we declare a value with a variable, then the variable used to become a label for that value. I have given some example. Later on you will see them. There you will get clear about the concept very nicely. For example, to store name of a student and mark of a student during program run. Okay, there are two examples given. So we need some labels to refer to these marks so that this can be distinguished easily. Suppose we have to keep some marks in some variables. So in this case, the marks which is already available in Python's memory, so will be labeled with the subject name. So subject names are variable or subject names are label, you can say. So variables are called as a symbolic variables rather than container. As I told you before, here the variables are not container. They are not used as a container. Rather than they are known as symbolic variables or labels. Think all the variables, all the values are kept serially in memories. Now I am declaring a statement a equal to 10. So 10 will be there in memory. So just a will refer to 10. A will point out to 10. Wherever that 10 gets stored in memory, a will refer to that. That is what the value is already available with us. Only we are doing a leveling. We are doing a leveling to it. Leveling in the sense we are specifying the symbolic variables to it, or we are just recognizing it by specifying a level. Okay. Second paragraph, let's see. In Python, to create a variable, just assign its name or label. See here the variable name is known as the label, the value of the appropriate type. Okay, appropriate type means the value can be of any type: integer type, float type, character type, byte type. Many types are there. For example, if we want to store name of a student, that is Rasmi, and 42 in two different variables, such as name equal to Rasmi, age equal to 42. In this case, for this name equal to Rasmi, which we will discuss later on, concentrate on age equal to 40. So what it is doing in case of age equal to 42. So 42 is the value which is already available in memory. So just age variable will label to that. As the diagram I gave here, Python will internally creates labels referring to these values as given below. So here name and 42 is written. Already these values are available. Only the labeling will be to them. Means this Rasmi is what? Na name. And this 42 is what? Na age. So later on, age can be modified with some other things. For example, you say roll number. I can write it roll number also. So 42 will be there. 42 never will get removed. 42 the number will be there in memory. Only label will get changed. Clear my point? So only the label which was before as age, now it gets changed to roll, means roll number. Fine. So let it be as it is. So here one note is given. Note, variables are not storage container in Python. Variables never get treated as container in Python. So there is an example, please see. Suppose we declare age equal to 15 and age equal to 10. Okay, and where we declare? In traditional programming language. Traditional programming language means, suppose we declare this particular thing in C or C++ or in Java. Okay, other than Python. So in this case, how the variables will be treated? Please see, all of you. I declare two statements one after another. One is age is 15, another statement is age is 10 in same program. So according to the above, value 15 is assigned to the variable age. That all of you knows. Value 15 is get assigned to the variable age, and then value 20 is assigned to it. Thereafter I did, this is 20, sorry. So what thereafter I did, now the 20 is the value which I reassign to the variable age. It means 15 is now no more exist in the memory. 15 is removed. Now 20 come in its place. Now 20 is available in its place. Fine. Let's continue. See, here the variable name is written. That is variable. Here the value which is stored in the memory, and the address of the memory is 202.530. Just randomly one address I take. So the explanation is what? Now variable age, age is created as a container at a memory address 202.530. Fine, and it stores 15 in it. That is the explanation of this particular practical content. Fine. Then see the next side what it is doing. Here also variable, and the value I am changing for it, that is 20. I changed from 15 to 20. Now the address is same because it is changing in the same location. So now here the statement will change the content of the location where variable age is created. Variable age is created in which location? 202.530. So in that place 20 will be kept, and it will be overwrite who? Overwrite 15. Fine. So this is the concept in traditional programming language, means C, C++ and in Java. So it means no more 15 age exists in this case. Now the present value of the age is 20. Here, now let's go down to see how it happened in case of Python. Let's see example with Python language. Here what happened? The memory has values at defined memory location, and each memory location has memory address. Memory has values at defined memory location. Means here in memory, the many values, here in memories of Python, according to Python, in memories, many values serially has been kept. Fine. And each memory location has a memory address. Every memory, like 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, every values having their own address. Okay. Having their own address. Now going down, if I specify the same statement as I did before, here I did age equal to 15. In Python also I am writing age is 15. Okay, so what will happen? Now the variable age will be created as a label. Now age become a label, and it pointing to the memory location where 15 is stored. 15 is stored in which location? Not 20216. So it will point to this. Now this age will point to here. Fine, as shown given below, you see here I have pointed age to this. Okay, the explanation is given. Here age, the variable, is referring now to the location 20216, that the value has 15. Fine.